Michael Carter was not a famous man, and he did not come from a rich family, but there was something special about him that made people respect him wherever he went, and that was his character. Because no matter what happened in his life, he always tried to be honest, kind, calm, and responsible. And this way of living did not come to him suddenly, but it slowly grew inside him from a young age, because his mother, Linda, always told him that life is not about how much money you earn or how popular you become, but it is about the kind of person you choose to be every single day. And even though Michael did not fully understand her words when he was a child, those words stayed in his mind and guided him as he grew older. When Michael was in high school, one afternoon he was walking home after classes, and as he walked along the quiet street, he suddenly noticed a wallet lying on the ground. And when he picked it up and opened it, he saw that it was filled with money, along with some cards and an ID. And at that moment his friend Jake, who was walking with him, looked at the wallet and said with excitement that this was a lucky day and that Michael should keep the money because no one would ever know. And for a few seconds, Michael stood there silently, thinking about what to do, because the money could help him and his family. But then he remembered his mother's voice, telling him that honesty is doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. And without saying anything more, he closed the wallet and decided to return it to its owner. And after checking the ID, he went to the address and gave it back to an old man named Mr. Thompson, who was extremely worried and had been searching for it everywhere. And when he saw Michael holding his wallet, his face filled with relief and gratitude. And he thanked Michael again and again, saying that there are still good people in the world. And as Michael walked away from that house, he felt something deep inside his heart, a quiet happiness that money could never give. And that was the moment he truly understood that a good character begins with honesty. As the years passed, Michael finished his studies and started working at a small company in the city. And life became more challenging because he had responsibilities, deadlines, and people with different attitudes around him. And his boss, Mr. Anderson, was known to be strict and sometimes even rude, and many employees in the office often complained about him and spoke badly behind his back, including Jake, who now worked in the same company, but Michael chose not to follow them because he believed that respect is not something you give only when others are kind to you, but it is something that shows who you truly are as a person. And so even when his boss spoke harshly, Michael remained calm, listened carefully, and responded politely. And one day, after observing him for a long time, Mr. Anderson called Michael into his office and asked him why he behaved that way when others did not. And Michael simply replied that respect is a reflection of his own values, not the behavior of others. And those simple words made a deep impression on his boss, who slowly began to change his attitude toward Michael. And from that experience, Michael learned that respecting others is not a weakness, but a true strength of character. One afternoon at work, Michael made a mistake while handling an important task, and the mistake caused a problem for the whole team. And when Jake realized what had happened, he quickly told Michael to stay quiet and not admit it, because someone else might take the blame. And for a moment, Michael felt afraid, because admitting the mistake could cause him trouble or even cost him his job. But then he thought about the kind of person he wanted to be, and without hesitation, He went directly to his boss and explained everything honestly, and instead of shouting or punishing him, Mr. Anderson looked at him with respect and said that mistakes can happen to anyone, but taking responsibility is rare and valuable. And Michael spent the rest of the day working hard to fix the problem, and that experience taught him that a good character is not about being perfect, but about being responsible for your actions. Life continued, and one evening, after a long day at work, Michael was waiting at a bus stop when he noticed a homeless man sitting quietly in the corner, and many people walked past him without even looking, as if he did not exist. And Michael stood there for a moment, watching this, and then he decided to do something simple but meaningful. So he went to a nearby store, bought some food and a bottle of water, and gave them to the man. And the man looked at him with surprise and a gentle smile, thanking him sincerely. And Michael simply said that he did not have to do it, but he wanted to. And as he walked away, he realized that kindness does not require wealth or power, but only a willing heart, and that even small actions can bring light into someone else's life. There were also times when life tested Michael in difficult ways, and one year the company he worked for faced serious problems and had to reduce its staff. And unfortunately, Michael lost his job, and it was a hard moment for him because he had bills to pay and responsibilities to manage. And many people around him became stressed, negative, and hopeless. But Michael chose a different approach, because instead of panicking, he stayed calm and focused on what he could do next. And when his friend Sarah asked him if he was worried about the future, he admitted that he was. But he also said that worrying would not solve anything, and that he would take one step at a time. And so he started improving his skills, applying for new jobs, and using his time wisely. And after several months of effort and patience, he finally found a better job than before. And this experience taught him that a strong character remains calm, even in the middle of uncertainty. One of the biggest tests of Michael's character came when he was offered a high-paying job by a large company. And at first, it seemed like a great opportunity that could change his life completely. But during the interview process, he realized that the company expected him to do things that were not honest. And when he shared this with Jake, his friend encouraged him to accept the job anyway, saying that money is more important and that everyone does such things in the real world. But Michael felt uncomfortable because it went against his values. And after thinking deeply, he made a difficult decision to reject the offer, even though it meant losing a big financial opportunity. And later, he found a job that matched his principles and allowed him to work with integrity. And through this, he understood that being true to yourself is one of the most important parts of having a good character. As the years went by, Michael did not become the richest man in the city, but he became someone that people trusted, respected, and admired. And his life became an example to others, not because of his success, but because of the way he lived. And one day a young boy who had heard about him came and asked him what the secret to his life was. And Michael smiled gently and said that there is no big secret, but only simple choices that we make every day, such as choosing honesty even when it is difficult, choosing respect even when others are rude, choosing responsibility instead of excuses, choosing kindness even when no one is watching, choosing calmness during hard times, and choosing to stay true to yourself no matter what happens. And he told the boy that your character is your real wealth because everything else can be lost, but who you are will always remain with you. So, if you want to live with a good character, remember that it is not something you build in one day, but something you create step by step through your daily actions. And every small decision you make matters because it shapes the person you are becoming. And in the end, people may forget what you said or what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. And that is why living with a good character is one of the most powerful and meaningful ways to live your life.